Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted photos without root or using any third-party applications. It's a simple trick, so watch this video till end. First, open your file manager and go to your internal storage. In there, go to DCIM. It's a dedicated storage of your camera. In DCIM, tap 3 dot on your top right corner and click Show Hidden Files. In there you can see a folder called .thumbnail. Tap on it and rename it to Deleted. Don't open the folder without renaming. Now you can see my all deleted photos. That's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit like and subscribe for more quality premium videos.